Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. Viewers, 16 infants today are battling for their lives, while 10 newborn babies died after fire broke out last night at a hospital in Jhansi. This incident took place at Lakshmibai Medical College's neonatal intensive care unit. Over 50 infants were rescued. As per the initial inquiry, short circuit seems to be the cause of fire. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has directed the authorities to submit a report within 12 hours. Deputy Chief Minister Brijesh Pathak visited the hospital and said there will be 3 levels of investigation into the fire, one each by the Health Department, the police and a magisterial inquiry. Prime Minister Narendra Modi called the incident heartbreaking and assured that the local administration under UP government was making all possible efforts for relief and rescue. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's government has announced an ex gratia amount of 5 lakh rupees for the parents of the babies who died and 50,000 rupees to the families of injured babies. Meanwhile, the National Rights Panel has taken suo motu cognizance in the matter and has issued a notice to UP Chief Secretary and the DGP citing negligence. The NHRC has sought a detailed report within a week. We will tell you more about that, but before that, listen in to the family members of these infants recounting the horror.
मेरा बच्चा चला, मेरा भी बच्चा नाम कुलदीप है, मेरी पत्नी का नाम नीलू है, मेरा बच्चा चला है डॉक्टरों ने। बताइए क्या हुआ? बच्चा चला है, हमारा बच्चा
आग पहले से लगी हुई थी, लेकिन जब आग जाना बढ़ गई है, जब बाहर पता चला है मुझे।
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो वहाँ
कितने लोग लगे
बचाने के लिए? फायर ब्रिगेड उस टाइम पे 5 मिनट 10 मिनट तक इंतजार करते रहे, लेकिन पहुंची नहीं।
शुक्रवार की रात झांसी के रानी लक्ष्मीबाई मेडिकल कॉलेज में जो SNCU है, जो नवजात शिशु गहन चिकित्सा केंद्र है, यह चिकित्सा केंद्र जो है वो 10 बच्चों का कब्रगाह बन गया। जो बच्चे इस SNCU में एडमिट थे, उसमें से 10 बच्चों की मौत हो गई। बताया जा रहा है कि इनकी संख्या करीब 50 के करीब थी जो एडमिट थे इस वार्ड में, और अचानक से रात करीब 10 बजे के करीब जो है वो आग लगी। आग की वजह बताई जा रही है कि जो ऑक्सीजन कंसंट्रेटर था उसमें आग लगी, और आग लगने के बाद धमाका हुआ और आग पूरी फैल गई। ये उसका पिछला हिस्सा है इस बिल्डिंग का। देखिए, कहा जा रहा है कि इसी खिड़की की वजह को तोड़कर जो बच्चे अंदर SNCU में थे उनको रेस्क्यू किया गया। यहां से जो है बच्चों को रेस्क्यू किया गया, क्योंकि पूरी तरह से आग अचानक फैली थी और पूरे कमरे के अंदर, पूरे वार्ड के अंदर आग थी। लिहाजा जो है बाहर से गेट से एंट्री नहीं थी, सिर्फ एक ही गेट और एक ही एंट्री एग्जिट पॉइंट है इसमें।
उन बच्चों को उपचार की व्यवस्था की जा सके, इसकी व्यवस्था में देर रात्रि से ही हम लोग लगे थे, और रात्रि में ही स्वास्थ्य मंत्री और प्रदेश के डिप्टी CM श्री ब्रजेश पाठक जी भी वहां पहुंच गए थे, और 10 बच्चों की वहां दुखद मौत हुई है। शेष बच्चे सुरक्षित हैं। वहां पे स्वास्थ्य विभाग की पूरी टीम, मेडिकल कॉलेज की पूरी टीम, प्रशासन और पुलिस प्रशासन की पूरी टीम सभी को सुरक्षित निकालने में सफल रही। लेकिन मेरी संवेदना उन सभी परिजनों के प्रति है जिन्होंने अपने मासूम बच्चों को खोया है।
बहुत ही दुखद मृत्यु हुई है, और हम सब परिजनों के साथ मिलकर के बच्चों को आइडेंटिफाइड कर रहे हैं कि किन किन बच्चों की डेथ हुई, किन परिजनों के हैं। पहली जांच तो शासन स्तर से होगी, जो हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट करेगा। दूसरी जांच पुलिस प्रशासन और जिले के स्तर से होगी, जिसमें फायर विभाग की भी टीम शामिल होगी। और तीसरी मजिस्ट्रेटी जांच के भी आदेश दिए गए हैं। हर स्थिति में घटना के कारणों का पता लगाया जाएगा। घटना कैसे हुई, किन कारणों से हुई, इस बात का हम पता लगाएंगे, और यदि किसी स्तर पर लापरवाही पाई गई तो उसकी जिम्मेदारी भी हम तय करेंगे, उनके खिलाफ भी हम कड़ी कार्रवाई करेंगे, किसी को छोड़ेंगे नहीं।
Opposition, meanwhile, has called it negligence. Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi expressed grief over the death of newborns in Uttar Pradesh and demanded strict action against the culprits. He said such incidents raise serious questions about negligence of government. Meanwhile, Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav too put out a tweet slamming the UP government, saying the establishment is morally responsible for the incident. He is demanding 1 crore ex gratia for the families of the victim. Listen in.
हम संवेदना देना चाहते हैं उसके परिवार का सभी परिवार वालों को और साथ ही सरकार से कहेंगे कि इसकी छानबीन होनी चाहिए और जो दोषी है इसमें उसको 100% उसमें कार्रवाई करे सरकार और साथ ही जो परिवार वाले हैं उनको मुआवजा देने का भी कार्य करे।
बड़ा सेंसिटिव जोन होता है नवजात बच्चों का। मौजूदा सरकार ने ऐसी कोई व्यवस्था पूरे प्रदेश में नहीं की है जिससे तात्कालिक रूप से किसी बड़ी घटना को टाला जा सके, रोका जा सके। क्योंकि सरकार मस्त है चुनाव में, प्रशासन मस्त है भ्रष्टाचार में और मंत्री पता नहीं कहां मस्त हैं, ये तो आज तक पता ही नहीं चला।
मैं समझता हूं कि ये पूरी तरीके से बहुत ही दुखद है और बहुत मार्मिक घटना है और ये सरकार केवल जांच के आदेश दे रही है। मैं समझता हूं कि योगी आदित्यनाथ जी पूरे देश में भ्रमण कर रहे हैं और नफरत की राजनीति कर रहे हैं, नफरत बोने का काम कर रहे हैं। इसलिए अगर कोई जिम्मेदार है, उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार जिम्मेदार है।
उत्तर प्रदेश सरकार की वजह से जलकर राख हो गए, इतना जल गए कि उनकी पहचान के लिए डीएनए टेस्ट कराना पड़ेगा। मैं जानना चाहता हूं, क्या ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर्स, क्या शॉर्ट सर्किट से? अगर हुआ है तो लापरवाही तो प्रशासन की है।
And joining us on this particular story is Dr. Kaushal Kant Mishra, spokesperson of the BJP. We have Ghanshyam Tiwari, who is spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Good evening to both of you. Thank you very much for joining us here on Times Now. Dr. Mishra, I want to ask you, 10 families today are devastated. And the question is, who is responsible? Of course, Samajwadi Party is blaming negligence. Congress Party says babies mocked in death. We just heard the reaction from leaders of SP as well as the Congress. There is politics happening, but then there are families who today have nothing to go back to. They have lost their newborn babies.
Yes, it's very unfortunate, and no amount of compensation can help or compensate this loss to the family, and nothing can save the responsible government, and we are responsible government, and we are not just taking the responsibility orally, we are acting. Our Deputy CM was there, our Chief Secretary was there, Chief Minister himself is monitoring the situation and practically taking all the responsibility. 3-level inquiry, as in your story already told, has been ordered. At the central level, NHRC inquiry has been ordered, and nobody can defend it, and I am also not defending it. Anybody who is guilty, any lapses, if fined, if it is not an accident, it is a negligence, the responsible person will be punished, and punished till the end. Nobody will be spared. But just saying these words not going to solve the problem. We have to find the real cause, and we have to try to prevent that it should never happen in future. Okay. Nothing can compensate the loss of family. It's very unfortunate, and I have no words to say for anything.
Ghanshyam Tiwari.
Good evening to you, the viewers, and my fellow co-panelists. The nation should grieve. People of Uttar Pradesh are grieving. People of Jhansi are grieving. We stand with the families. The questions remain. Where we have a government that is shameless, where the Chief Minister is busy doing nothing but just campaigning, running his hate agenda, batenge to katenge, and speaking all the nonsense that only destroys the country rather than builds the country. And when lives are lost, innocent children, what is coming to the fore? That the oxygen cylinders were not working, the fire extinguishers were not working, they were expired. Even though the health minister says that they had done the checks twice, the fact on the matter is, the media has shown, Amar Ujala has published, the fire cylinders had expired. The fire alarm did not work. The electricity went off and rescue was carried out in dead dark. This is what the media is reporting. I am quoting directly from Amar Ujala.
But we also heard the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh saying that, the initial inquiry seemed to suggest that it was a short circuit that happened.
if the Deputy Chief Minister says that it's daytime right now, would you believe it? You are media. You're supposed to look at the fact. The facts are published in the local press. They say that in one bed, 4 children were admitted, where 1 children could only be admitted. The oxygen supply unit for the children heated up. This government, right from the Prime Minister to the Chief Minister to the Deputy Chief Minister, has mastered the art of lying and spreading it through the media, and through which will not question.
Dr. Mishra, quick response.
See, I have not said anything political. Who's bringing the politics? If the CM is taking care of the whole incident, he's taking hourly reporting from the site. Deputy CM is there. Chief Secretary was there, and everything is monitored. 3-level inquiry has been ordered.
Right.
But who is doing politics?
Well, we can just say that politics, at least at a time like this, should be kept aside, and it is a matter of families who are today devastated. Like I said earlier, there are 16 children, 16 infants who are still battling for their lives. So at least for now, the focus should be on ensuring at least they are safe. And, you know, the proper inquiry should happen, and whoever is responsible, strictest possible action should be taken against those people. That's what we can hope for. I'm completely out of time, but I appreciate both of you for joining us here on